How to create a simple animated paper border in After Effects. Creating a simple animated paper border in After Effects is straightforward and adds a nice touch to your animation, enhancing your drawing editing style. But how exactly can you achieve this effect? Let's dive right into the process. Firstly, you need a shape or something else. For this demonstration, I will use a star shape. To do this, select the star tool and drag on the preview screen to create a star while holding the shift key. Next, we need to fill the shape. Use the fill option. Choose any color you like for the fill and set the stroke to a color of your choice. I will stick with the default color and set the stroke size to about 30 for an appealing look. Remember, keeping the stroke size moderate ensures a better effect. Now it's time to add an effect. Navigate to the effects and presets panel and search for the routes and edges. Add this effect to your shape layer. 10. Go to the effects controls panel. Here, you can adjust the effect on the border by sliding the controls. Experiment to see what looks best. The next step is to animate it. Expand the routes and edges effect in your timeline and look for evolution options. 10. While holding an Alt key, click on random seed. Here, you will enter a script. In the script, type time asterisk followed by a multiplier. The lower the number, the slower the animation. The higher, the faster. Adjust this to see what suits your animation best. I will set mine to 8 for a dynamic effect. If you are not completely satisfied with the animation, you could also experiment with changing the edge type. And here we go. You've now created an appealing animated paper border in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.